Philosophy, a premier academic institution that provides service-oriented and community-responsive quality programs. Vision, an institution that produces competent professionals with skills, values, and character acceptable to the local and global community. Mission, this educational institution is committed to develop the potentials of students, to discover their skills for them, to give a substantial impact on the varied facets of life, and to provide teachers professionally upgrade themselves to cope with the fast-growing learning teaching styles. Objectives. First, to equip the students with skills and knowledge through various forms of educational endeavors. Second, to provide the students with the best educational environment conducive to the development of their mental, social, and physical powers. Third, to provide financial assistance to poor but deserving students. And fourth, to increase the level of professional competence to the faculty through upgrading. Goals. First, to offer the programs that are relevant, holistic, and compliant with institutional regulatory industry and accreditation standards, to develop lifelong learners with an assurance of effective supervision. Second, to develop a full qualified, professional, and motivated faculty in the area of instructions, research, and community extension services. Third, to provide the students with the best educational environment conducive to their development of their mental, social, and physical powers. Fourth, to develop students on social awareness, responsibility, and accountability among stakeholders anchored on instructions, research, and community services.